explain the importance of data analysis in today's data-driven environment. Data analysis is critical in today's data-driven environment as it provides the foundation for informed decision-making across various sectors, including business, healthcare, and government. By analyzing data, organizations can identify trends, predict outcomes, optimize processes, and develop strategies that are based on factual evidence rather than intuition. This ability to extract actionable insights from data leads to better resource allocation, improved customer satisfaction, increased operational efficiency, and enhanced competitive advantage. Moreover, in contexts like healthcare, data analysis can lead to breakthroughs in patient care and treatment methodologies, underscoring its importance across the spectrum of professional fields. Discuss the challenges of distinguishing between narratives and evidence in data interpretation. Distinguishing between narratives and evidence in data interpretation is challenging because narratives can often overshadow hard evidence, leading to biased or misinformed decisions. Narratives, or the stories we tell about data, can be compelling and persuasive, shaping how we perceive and prioritize information. However, they might not always align with the objective evidence presented by the data. Challenges arise particularly in the presence of confirmation bias, where data is interpreted in a way that confirms pre-existing beliefs or hypotheses. To overcome these challenges, it is essential to adopt a critical approach, verify sources, use statistical methods to validate findings, and ensure that interpretations are consistently reviewed and questioned to maintain a clear distinction between subjective narratives and objective evidence. Describe the process and benefits of assessing data through trial evaluations. Assessing data through trial evaluations involves testing hypotheses in controlled environments to determine the validity and reliability of the data before making broader applications. This process can include pilot studies, randomized controlled trials, or other experimental setups that allow analysts to observe effects and measure outcomes accurately. The benefits of this approach are numerous. Firstly, it provides a methodological framework for objectively evaluating the effectiveness of a program or intervention. Secondly, it minimizes the influence of external variables that could skew the data, thereby offering more precise results. Lastly, trial evaluations help in refining data collection and analysis techniques, ensuring that the data used in decision-making processes is of the highest quality. How can engagement and analysis activities enhance data assessment? Engagement and analysis activities can significantly enhance data assessment by involving a broader range of stakeholders in the data review process. Activities such as workshops, seminars, and interactive sessions allow for multiple perspectives to be considered, leading to a more comprehensive understanding of the data. Engaging diverse groups in analysis activities ensures that different expertise and experiences are brought to bear on data interpretation, which can help uncover biases, validate assumptions, and generate more innovative solutions to problems. Furthermore, these activities encourage ongoing learning and adaptation, which are crucial in continually improving data assessment processes and outcomes in rapidly changing environments.